Hey, it's Mr. K. Physics 30, Unit B, Part 1. Review questions, numerical response 3, and question 11. So basically, we're getting a lot of information, but we have a charged sphere between two parallel plates, and it's attracted toward the positive plate. We have an incomplete free body diagram here. The tension is going up and to the right. Now, because it's being pulled toward the positive, I'm going to draw my FE toward the positive plate. There's another force here. The reason that it's not just flying up around all over the place is gravity. Now, another way to draw these would be to draw them as a representation of the net force. Ft is going up for tension. Gravity is coming down. And Fe is going to the left. So in terms of comparative sizes, we can see Fe is small, gravity is larger, but tension is the largest force here in this case. Okay, if I look at the actual question, it's asking me for the directions of Fe. Now it's going to the left, so I've chosen 4. It's asking me for the direction of gravity. It's going down, so I've chosen 6. And it's asking me which one is the largest. Well, if I look at it like a net addition here, going from tail to tip, I can see that Ft is the largest. And I select that from the 3 forces given here. I would very much have liked to have selected a direction, but I was just smart enough to read the question. Okay, continuing on. Numeric response question 11. So I've redrawn my diagram here. Tension is going up, Fe, Fg. I've got my 8 degrees here. I changed my triangle slightly just because of the way they gave the angle. Now I know that I'm looking here for the magnitude of charge. So it'd be helpful to know the Fe. Well, I can use the tan theta relationship of opposite over adjacent to find my Fe and realize that it's mg times tan theta. They gave me the mass, gave me g, I know g, times tan of 8 degrees, and I get the Fe. Now the last piece here is to realize the relationship between Fe and charge times electric field. Well, I know the charge. I don't know the charge. I know the force, the electric force, I just found it. I know the electric field because it was given in the question. And with this last step, I can calculate the charge. So essentially, I'm using that original triangle that I set up to find Fe using a ratio. And then once I know Fe, I can find the charge because they already told me the electric field. Thanks a lot.